How to see all comment history on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your TikTok application. Then, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, go to your menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and then you will find an option of content prep activity center. Tap on activity center and then all your activities, recent activities, whether it is your comment, watch history, search history, anything will appear over here. Now for specific comment history, go to comment history and all your comments will that you left will appear over here. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.